Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 100 MCQs of American literature. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam, चाहे वो पीएससी का एग्ज़ाम हो, चाहे नेट हो, चाहे सेट हो, इन सभी एग्ज़ाम्स में इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 42 in part 1 and part 2 of American literature. This is पार्ट थर्ड ऑफ अमेरिकन लिटरेचर. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर क्वेश्चन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 हमारा कहता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी एसोसिएटेड विथ आइजैक एसिमोव. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी एसोसिएटेड विथ आइजैक एसिमोव. द correct these four options are Watchfires, option B a writer's capital, option C dark laughter, and option D a word of prophet. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is dark laughter, option C. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Dark laughter. Dark laughter is the correct answer. Now question number 44. For which of the following did Saul Willow get a Pulitzer Prize? Option A Herzog, option B Humboldt's Gifts, and option C The Last Analysis, and option D The Dean's December. The correct answer is option B Humboldt's Gift. B Humboldt Gifts is the correct answer. Now question number 45. Which of the following work of Paul Blackburn was published posthumously? Which of the following work of Paul Blackburn was published posthumously? Option A The Sights, option B The Generals, option C The Nets, and option D Sing Song. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B The Generals. Now question number 46. 46 Pulse Yes Bucks The Good Earth is about. So which one is the correct answer? Option A America, option B Mexico, option C China, and option D Canada. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is China. China is the correct answer. Now question number 47. Pick the odd one. Option A first wife, option B today's and forever, option C far and near, and option D my several words. My several words is the different one. Dear friends, if you find this question useful then please like. इसको यदि आपने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. Question number 48. Sorry. Which of the following did Hiram Martin Chittenden write in collaboration with A.T. Richardson? Option A The Life of Father Jean D. Smith, option B History of Early Steamboat Navigation on the Missouri River, option C The American Fur Trade of the Far West, option D Yellowstone National Park. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is question number 48 का A. The life of Father Pierre Jean D. Smith is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Dear friends, if you listen these questions, then without reading you can learn these questions. यदि आप इस प्रकार से ध्यान से सुनते हैं तो भी आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन लर्न होते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. पिक द करेक्टली मैच्ड पेयर. इस प्रकार के भी क्वेश्चन अधिकांशतः कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं कि विच वन इज द मैच्ड करेक्टली मैच्ड पेयर और नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड पेयर, इस प्रकार से. तो यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन हैं. एलो स्टोन नेशनल पार्क, पर्ल यस बक. ऑप्शन बी माई सेवरल वर्ड्स, हीरम मार्टिन चिटेंडन. ऑप्शन सी लाइफ ऑन द मिसिसिपी, मार्क ट्वेन. एंड ऑप्शन डी डैंडी फ्राइटनिंग द स्क्वेटर, केट चॉपिन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी लाइफ ऑन द मिसिसिपी, मार्क ट्वेन. Now question number 50. Now question number 50. Yes, 50. Which of the following record Edward Cummings' experience in French concentration camp during World War I? Option A EMI, option B the enormous room, option C him, and option D Tom. The correct answer is option B the enormous room. Now question number 50. 51. Arrange the chronological order, यानी किस क्रम में ये हैं. ऑप्शन ए होमवर्ड बाउंड, ऑप्शन ए होमवर्ड बाउंड, देन द मॉनकिन्स, देन द पायोनियर्स. ऑप्शन बी होमवर्ड बाउंड, द पायोनियर्स, द मॉनकिन्स. ऑप्शन सी द मॉनकिन्स, होमवर्ड बाउंड एंड द पायोनियर्स. एंड ऑप्शन डी द पायोनियर्स, द मॉनकिन्स, द होमवर्ड बाउंड. So option D is the correct answer, the pioneers, the Morkins, homeward bound. Now question number 52. Which poem was a literal answer to T.S. Eliot, the Wasteland? Option A the Pride, option B the Bridge, option C Life, and option D Time and Eternity. The correct answer is the Pride. Option A is the correct answer. And 53 question. Which American poet and critic drowned himself in the Caribbean Sea? Option A Fenimore Cooper, option B Hart Crane, option C Mark Twain, and option D Saul Bellow. The correct answer is option B Hart Crane. So dear friends, now question number 54. Question number 54. Which of the following work of Emily Dickinson was edited by her niece Martha Dickinson? Which of the following work of Emily Dickinson was edited by her niece Martha Dickinson? Option A the Chariot, option B Life, option C the Single Hound, and option D the Sky in Low. The correct answer is option C. Option C the Single Hound. Now question number 55. Pick the odd one out. Option A Traveler at 40, option B A Hozier Holiday, option C A Book About Myself, and option D Chance. So Chance is the correct answer. Chance is the odd one out. Now question number 56. Which of the following is associated with Sherwood Eddies? Option A I have seen God do it, option B the financier, option C the titan, option D the genius. The correct answer is I have seen God do it. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 57. Which of the following work of Adele Leon won him the Pulitzer and contain the biblical story of Cain and Abel? Option A Complete Tales, option B The Complete Plays, option C Life of Henry James, and option D Selected Letters. The correct answer is the Life of James, the life of Henry James. The Life of Henry James, option C is the correct answer. Now, question number 58. Which of the following is not an essay written by Ralph Waldo Emerson? Option A, Circle. Option B, Love. Option C, Friendship. And option D, Brahma. Brahma is the correct answer. Brahma, which this following is not essay and written by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and that is Brahma. Now, question number 59. Which of the following American authors depicted the Chicago underworld in a naturalistic style? Option A, Adele Leon. Option B, Ralph Ellison. Option C, Thomas James Farrell. And option D, Ralph Emerson. Ralph Emerson. So, which one is the correct answer? Thomas James Farrell. Option C is the correct answer. Yes. Now, question number 60. Question number 60. Which of the following works depicted the relationship of a publisher and his wife upon discovering that their child is mentally challenged? Option A, Father and Son. Option B, My Days of Anger. Option C, A World I Never Made. And option D, Invisible Swords. The correct answer is option D. Option D, Invisible Swords. Now, dear friends, question number 61. With which of the following novel would you associate the character of Colonel Sutpen? Option A, Sertorius. Option B, Century. Option C, Absalom. And option D, The Town. The correct answer is option C, Absalom. Now, now, question number 62. Now, question number 62. Which of the following is a one act play? Option A, Flags in the Dust. Option B, Marionettes. Option C, A Green Bough. And option C, Big Boots. The correct answer is option B, Marionettes. Question number 63. Which of the following is a book for children? Option A, The Wishing Tree. Option B, Big Wood. Option C, Mosquitoes. And option D, A Green Bough. The correct answer is option A, The Wishing Tree. Dear friends, this is the second last question of this video part 3. सो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूज़फुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सकें. 64. Which of the following is an unfinished novel by Francis Scott Fitzgerald? Option A, The Great Gatsby. Option B, Tender is the Night. Option C, Tales of the Judge Edge. And option D, The Last Tycoon. The Last Tycoon, option D is the correct answer. And this is last question 65. Which of the following cannot be associated with Benjamin Franklin? Option A, The Morals of Chess. Option B, The Whistle. Option C, Junto Club. And option D, The Onset. The D, Onset is the correct answer. So dear friends, thank you for watching this video.